Power Pages helps organizations automate processes and personalize experiences through data-driven websites that connect with Dynamics 365 and other Microsoft business applications. It's licensed by the number of users of a Power Pages website each month, and this involves 2 meters for authenticated and anonymous users. Authenticated users sign in securely to a Power Pages website using Microsoft Entra or an external authentication provider such as Google or LinkedIn. Each Power Pages user account is associated with a Dataverse contact record that manages access permissions and grants functionality privileges based on an assigned security role. This login and ID tracking process calculates how many unique users log into a website each month. That means if someone logs in multiple times during a month, they'll only be counted once. As it implies, anonymous users browse a site without logging in. Power Pages uses an anonymous user ID that's stored in a browser cookie. This will generate an ID when a new visitor is detected, if an anonymous user accesses the site in a different browser, or if they've cleared their cookies. There are some exceptions which aren't tracked. That includes accessing registration and sign-in pages, as well as 404 error pages, or browsing a site in private mode. Also, bots and crawler access isn't counted. Because Microsoft doesn't track login page visits to calculate anonymous users, it is possible to comply with Power Pages licensing terms without incurring anonymous usage costs. However, except for error response pages, the rest of your site must be exclusively restricted to authenticated users. In addition to considering what type of users will access your websites, you'll also need to decide how you want to be billed. By default, the Power Pages licensing model requires sufficient capacity to be purchased in advance to accommodate the expected maximum number of website users each month. The minimum purchase is a monthly base capacity of up to 100 authenticated users. Additional capacity packs can be purchased in increments of 100 monthly users. For significantly higher usage needs, reduced pricing tiers are available for sites that need authenticated user capacities above 10,000 and 100,000 users per month. But at these levels, you might want to consider if an Azure Blazor web portal might be a more cost-effective solution, so keep watching for details. Separate add-on capacity can be purchased for anonymous Power Pages site users. The minimum capacity is 500 users per month, and additional packs can be added in multiples of 500. Tiered rates are also available when capacities are needed above 10,000 or 100,000 monthly anonymous users. Within the Power Platform Admin Center, administrators can check and manage capacities for Power Pages anonymous and authenticated users. Power Pages default licensing ensures predictable billing, but this model might not always be cost-effective because unused monthly capacity doesn't roll over. That's a key consideration if your site traffic is expected to vary significantly during the year, and that might be driven by critical events such as an application period opening or closing, a compliance deadline, or other peak times that can cause traffic to spike. In these cases, pay-as-you-go pricing might be the best value because it ensures you're only billed for the actual usage of your website. As a result, this avoids over-purchasing capacity for what might just be a few months when usage is significantly higher than the rest of the year. When you choose pay-as-you-go billing, your organization's Azure subscription is billed monthly for the total authenticated and anonymous users that visit your website. However, compared to the default capacity-based billing for Power Pages, pay-as-you-go does have a higher unit price for each website user, which makes this option less attractive if sites have predictable traffic levels with few monthly fluctuations. Through our consultancy services, we can help you choose the most cost-effective billing option to ensure you don't pay more than necessary. Power Pages capacity packs also include accrued Dataverse storage. Each pack of 100 authenticated users includes 2 GB of database capacity, 16 GB file capacity, and 1 GB log capacity, which is accrued to the tenant. Capacity packs of 500 anonymous users accrue 500 megabytes of database capacity, 4 gigabytes file capacity, and 250 megabytes of log capacity. With pay-as-you-go billing for Power Pages, there is a one-off entitlement of 1 GB database capacity and 1 GB of Dataverse file capacity. To manage websites, some Dynamics and Power Apps licenses include Power Pages usage rights. These include Dynamics 365 Enterprise and Premium licenses that provide entitlement to manage unlimited websites which map to the same environment as the licensed Dynamics app. Power Apps Premium provides usage rights for unlimited Power Apps and Power Pages websites, while the Power Apps Per App license enables users to run either a single app or access one Power Pages website. Dynamics Professional and Team Member licenses don't include Power Pages usage rights. There's a lot to consider, including licensing external and internal users and determining how Power Pages should be billed. In our consultancy, ServerSys will also advise if Power Pages is the right product for your website. In some instances, we do find that developing a custom Azure Blazor site offers a more flexible and scalable platform. This might be the case if you need extensive website integration, or if your precise branding and design needs can be better met within a fully customized site. Also, as mentioned earlier, Azure can offer lower ongoing licensing costs for higher usage sites compared to Power Pages. For further licensing details, refer to the Power Platform Licensing Guide, and to get started, you can try Power Pages free for 30 days. If you're looking to implement a process-centric website or have questions about Power Pages licensing, please get in touch. And if you found this presentation of value, please give it a like and subscribe to the ServerSys channel.